All right, business math kids. One of the things we're going to use a variety of things for business math, but one resources we're going to use is Khan Academy. Some of you used this last year for iStep Prep, and for some other stuff. There's all kinds of lessons on here. You've probably used the Khan Academy in some other classes, but I'm going to use some of those for online resources and assignments. So you'll need to create an account. If you don't remember what your account was from last year, this one for this year is called Mr. Davis Business Math 2020. So you'll need to go on here and use the share code up here. It is in the link at your assignment. So your assignment is to create an account and submit it and tell me what your username is, so that I can easily distinguish you from someone else in the class. I shouldn't have to guess what from your username who it is, but I can get grades in more easily. We'll also have some stuff on Canvas. I'll pull this Canvas page over here. So here, that's the wrong class. Let's go to Business Math and open up Business Math. We won't get to do the food trucks this year due to everything that's going on. There'll be videos posted in here. I want to post this video right here under August 11th. It'll also be in the module. So for tomorrow, I've got a module created. Today's assignment is, or for Tuesday, your first day, is you'll go to modules. And you'll click on August 11th. The instruction video will be there. Then join the business math class. It just gives you your instructions and your join code, which you click right there, and you'll be able to join right up. And then once you do, your assignment will be that once you join is create a text entry telling me what your username will be so I can identify you. That's pretty simple. And then take the attendance quiz, mark true for your attendance, these count, make sure you're getting those done, and then there's your completion page. It'll come up with, click on here, and there's your completion page. Alright, so that is an easy one for your first day class. So business math is a wide variety of math ranging from some addition, review, multiplication, subtraction, division, calculating percentages, square footage, being able to do everyday math, not just add numbers for no reason, but how it relates to the real world. And we're going to do some personal finance stuff as well. So make sure that you're logging in every day and checking your stuff and getting your assignments turned in on time so you don't lose points for late work. Looking forward to the school year. Have a great day.